So for today's lean video, we're working with our hydraulic hose crimper. What it does is crimp the ends on our hydraulic lines that we need to use for our forklifts, shuttle lifts, and many other projects. So what we have here is we installed it onto a cart so we can move it to wherever area we are working. But one thing you have to do is, as you can see the back of it, way deep in there, you can't really see in there. You got to get all the way around. So we got the lines, and we have to fish it through the back, get it to the front. Oh, that's one of the problems. Falls out. So you get it to the front, and then you got to hold it there while you push down. Sit here and hold it and watch it so that it crimps right in the right spot. You don't want a hydraulic hose blowing the fitting on. So let's see how we can improve it. So what we did is we had this old mirror that was going to get thrown away. We attached it to the back of the crimper. Now we can easily grab our hose, stick it right through the front. Nice, no, we don't have it hanging way over the cart, getting in the way, trying to do it from behind. And we can look in the mirror, see how far to put it. Go ahead and get it started. And now we can watch it, crimp it, get it done. And it's just way easier, quicker way, saves us time, less defects, and just all around better way of doing it. And that's the way you do it.